तू रेडी है ना?
नहीं यार देख,
कॉन्फिडेंस से बोलियो बस, उनको पता ही नहीं चलेगा उनको क्या हिट हुआ है।
हाँ पर इतना डेटा माइनिंग, आर यू श्योर अबाउट दिस? ये एथिकल नहीं है, हम लोगों को ये।
हम ना किल करने वाले हैं ब्रो। तू लाया ना डेमो डॉल्स?
हाँ बिल्कुल मैं।
मेरा
Hey guys, I'm Dia from the accounts team.
हेलो अरविंद।
Hi.
हाय, आई एम शाज।
Sure.
नाम सुना होगा आपने?
एवरीवन इन द इंडस्ट्री नोज हिम।
Okay. Well, great to meet you. The rest of the team will be here in a couple of minutes. In the meanwhile, you can get set up using the sport, or let me know if there's anything else you need.
श्योर।
थैंक्स।
मैं लैपटॉप लगा।
फटाफट लगा ले। Hey. Hi, Ajay. Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Thanks. Good to see you.
Same here. Kabir.
Hi, Kabir. Good to see you.
Kabir.
So, this is Dia, one of our key account managers.
Guys, this is Arvind.
हेलो
He's the brains to my beauty.
हेलो सर।
तो हम शुरू करें? दिया? Could you just get the coffee girl while we set up?
Are you guys ready to be blown away? Because Refine is not just a game changer or a couples app or a dating app. It's a way for couples to get all the data required, set the perfect situation, go create the ideal future. Refine is a game changer that'll bring today's women from here to something far better, going so far beyond. Arvind, take away.
यस, आवर आइडिया इज बेस्ड ऑन टू की इनसाइट्स। एक कि सब मिलेनियल्स को एक परफेक्ट लाइफ पार्टनर चाहिए, और दूसरा कि गर्ल्स टुडे हैव नेवर बीन मोर ड्रिवन और इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय सोशल मीडिया। दिस वाज रियली द की ऑफ आवर थिंकिंग सर, and what we wanted to do was to create and see how we can use this to create.
Use this to create a real moonshot idea.
Yes.
आगे चलते हैं. Let's get to the application. I think you guys know this already. Application?
Yes.
The wellness meets self-improvement meet couples.
Okay, so it's simple. As soon as any couple is downloading our application, what we do is we start profiling them by linking to their social media or sourcing other forms of data. Let us say Jack is married to Jill.
तो हम एक्सपर्ट या क्रिश्चियन कम्युनिटी को टारगेट कर रहे हैं क्या?
नहीं. Just an example. Let's say if Simran is getting married to Amar.
So over a period of time, Amar can enter certain traits, keywords or beliefs that he finds troubling about Simran. And our application will use these to optimize the content, use our algorithms and bot networks to provide a subtle but a constant feedback to Simran. So if Simran's posts are too political or feminist or whatever for that matter, the process will lead her to perceive this and automatically changing her behavior.
ये तो सिर्फ पहला step है. Refine is totally freemium. And once we further get down the line, we can actually start altering how users interact and behave. We can actually go from virtual to real world synergy.
Yes, sir, अभी सोचिए, Amar doesn't like the way Simran sits, or maybe wants her to lose some weight. All he has to do is put these things into our application. Simran's feed will automatically change. Along with Simran's feed, the real world partners that we have integrated with will reinforce these changes into Simran's mind.
Over a period of time, let's say a couple of weeks to a couple of years, we can transform Simran into the best version of herself, to something far better, going so far beyond herself. This will refine everything for you, or for Simran rather.
Are you guys serious?
रिस्क नहीं तो इश्क नहीं ना.
So should I move to the specific modules of the application?
या फिर एक पॉज ले सकते हैं और जान सकते हैं कि आप सबका क्या सोचना है सर. मैम,
Interesting. But isn't this just the child's play? Can't we go deeper into the life cycle? Really start to change what matters to them at every single stage?
Well, मैं काफ़ी impressed हूँ, but also wondering what Ajay said. हम इसको थोड़ा और push नहीं कर सकते क्या? Otherwise, established players will implement this more easily or at lower cost.
Of course, sir. And that is why we want to move first.
Definitely, guys. We can go much further into it. ये बस एक basic concept है आप सबके लिए. But once we get further down the line, this can have applications in every sphere of life. जैसे कि will Simran work? Like, does she even want to work? How does she look? What does she eat? What does she wear? Does she want to have kids?
Kids is interesting, man. हम काफ़ी सोच रहे थे parenting space को explore करने के लिए. Do you have any ideas for that?
हाँ sir, our next step after gaining customers is to orient Simran towards parenting.
इससे आगे भी जा सकते हैं एक्चुअली. इमेजिन करते हैं कि हम सिमरन को कन्विंस कर पाएं कि उसके ड्रीम्स और एम्बिशन से ज़्यादा उसका बच्चा इंपॉर्टेंट हो, या फिर उसके आइडेंटिटी में माँ बनने के ट्रेड्स डाल देते हैं and make her think it's her own wish. Not just this, sir, we can go beyond. हम services दे सकते हैं. We can rent out babies to couples like Amar and Simran for an additional fee, definitely. I'm sure all the logistical partners you guys have funded to make this happen.
How is this even?
What about consumer experience? How can we ensure that Amar is getting what he wants from this?
Sir, ये सब हम अमर के लिए ही तो कर रहे हैं.
When is Simran turned on?
When Amar wants her to be.
What does she believe in?
What Amar wants her to believe in.
सिमरन के सारे बेस्ट फीचर्स अमर डिसाइड करेगा सर. आई एम टेलिंग यू, ये बेस्ट आइडिया है. इट्स अ विनर. नो, इट्स एन एब्सोल्यूट गोल्डन goose of an idea.
Okay, this seems promising. I like where your thinking is at.
How is this even real? I mean, there must be some lines.
Yeah, I mean, we guys also think sometimes कि this is too good to be true. But there are no boundaries we cannot cross.
This is outrageous. It's unethical. It completely negates your client's agency and it has a huge number of questionable assumptions.
दिया, हमारा 2 o'clock meeting है, right? Could you go and set it up in the war room? Chill.
जैसे कि मैं बता रहा था सर कि इस प्रोग्राम के बहुत सारे पोटेंशियल यूजेस हमें डेली दिखाई देते हैं. जोक्स अपार्ट, ये बेसिकली बस एक बेसिक वर्जन है. जो इसका एडवांस वर्जन है वो जल्दी हम आपके साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं.
Okay, I think that sounds great. We'll be in touch. But always remember that, you know, you guys can push it really further. Be more ruthless. I think you guys have potential.
Sure, sir. आगे तो push करेंगे ही हम.
Looking forward to it. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच.
मैंने कहा था ना, इस कॉन्फिडेंस से बोल डील कर देना.
मैं बता रहा हूँ तेरे को.
अमर,
Simran.